Welcome to Dawn Condominiums on Galveston's famous seawall. The property features a clubhouse great for parties and neighborhood get-togethers, with a lobby for guest check-in and offices for the on-site management. There's a fitness center with a variety of cardio, weight, and resistance equipment. The west side pool features a grilling picnic area, hot tub, and rock waterfall nestled among the tropical landscaping. The east side pool has plenty of lounge seating, umbrella tables, and a relaxing fountain feature. Dawn Condominiums is a restricted access property with plenty of unassigned parking. Some units include single-car garages. Dawn Condominiums are pet-friendly and vacation rental-friendly and a popular rental destination. Centrally located, Dawn Condominiums are within walking distance of some retail and restaurants and are a short drive to West End attractions like Schlitterbahn Water Park, Moody Gardens, Magic Carpet Golf, and the 61st Street Pier. And you are just a short walk to the sand, surf, and seagulls of Babes Beach. For more information, visit GalvestonCondoLiving.com.